don't have one-man shows. We play together because that's the hardest team to beat. Look at the Atlanta Hawks right now. No real one-man show, but dominate in the NBA all the way to the conference finals right now, playing with no superstar. Well, they got super. It's just no one-man show. It's a super. People come off the bench making more points than people in the game. It's like constant. You get bombarded constantly. It's not we got the greatest 5 people on the court first and then a drop off when the bench comes in. It's not like that. It's everybody can start. Anybody can play at any time. That's the equivalent of what we're building and what we have right now. We want the whole team to step up, and y'all did that. And when y'all do that consistently, you're dangerous. Okay? So we have managed to come together collectively, play together so well that even in our first few months, hold the best teams back from blowing us out, and then take them out. Just after playing them a couple of times and understanding it. So give yourselves a pat on the back. Give yourselves a round of applause for that. That was a great performance. And I want you guys to continue to remember that. It's a team effort, it's a team game, and you're not going to win it alone. You guys are going to win it together as a team. Very strong. So I'm proud of each and every one of y'all that deserve that trophy. That's a team trophy. That's the first of many, okay, that we plan on getting. Open up a trophy case somewhere. But
you know the name, wood grain in the motherfucking dually truck. Got the black and red seats with the Georgia tuck. Then I got my helmet hanging out the window, ready to bust the head of a pretender. Nigga, as soon as I enter, you know I'm making noise. Pastor Troy and the East Side boys, AK's bustin', I ride the whole clip. I cut that and let a mother rip. To sink ship is what I live for. Kim, I'm representing. Put some more yak in my mug so I can throw it up. Throw it up, 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 throw it up. If you scared it, throw it up, get up. Tommy gun, going out chill, burn one, leave about the club, it's me and Little John, falling in the business, switching up lanes, talking much, cause we deep in the game, cocaine, all white, S6, young, I guess we filthy rich, my whole clique, ready to bust some heads, I'ma throw it up, and I ain't scared, Pastor Troy, mother. You know the routine, represent for the home team. Throw it up, 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 throw it up.
Let your boys win the league. Second place go to the ATL Spartans. First place go to Sonics. Yeah!
Great job. complacent, it's not over. It's not over. Like I told you when Cam hit that buzzer beater, everybody thought the game was all said. It's not over. All right, we got to keep digging. We got to keep running like we ain't even hit it. And y'all did that.
I know that's right.
Them boys won 14 straight till y'all beat them today.
14 straight.
So y'all, that's why they were crying. They won 14 in a row. Everybody contributed to this win. The boys, Jalen, Cam, everybody contributed. Everybody to the team effort.
Make the dream work.
Great job. Somebody lead the way.
Let's go, Sonic.
These victories and these losses to me come equal. They come equal with a lesson. What can you take out of that to make yourself better? That's the lesson. What can you take to grow? Win or lose, what can you take to grow?